Jesus Christ!
Hi, are you too poor and pathetic to afford a real car like me? Well, then you should buy my merchandise. Buy a bicycle. It does exactly the same thing as a car, except it has 2 wheels and it's pathetic. Today I'm going to show you how to ride a bicycle, you poor pathetic man. Step 1 to riding a bicycle is always wear a helmet. If you're like me and you can't afford a helmet, just protect your head. Remember, if you don't want to be dead, always protect your head. Step 2 is getting on the bicycle. Remember to always keep both hands on the handlebars. That way, you'll never fall down. Ow! This piece of shit doesn't work. Fucking helmet doesn't work. Now that we've established that helmets are actually government conspiracies to take our money and then to kill us, throw it away. A bike can do anything a car can do, including burnouts. Mad skids. As well as transporting very important things. So, if you're like me and you can't afford a car, don't worry, because you've always got your trusty bicycle. So remember kids, stay in school and don't do drugs. So, if you're the kind of guy that thinks bikes aren't cool, think again, because chicks dig it and I'm cool as shit. Hey, how you doing? No, don't call the police. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you would like to help me afford a car, go check out my merchandise. Link is in the description. I am a car channel after all, and having a car, well, it would be very helpful. I'll see you next time.